All right, as you search here for your images you want to use for the animal combo project, I just want a refresher of making sure that we're finding pictures that we have the right to use. So let's just say that I know one picture I want is of a penguin. And so I'll go ahead and search for that. Then I'm going to come to my tools. Not my tools. Oh, I've got to go to images first. Sorry. Okay. Now if I come to tools and usage rights, our best bet's going to be this Creative Commons licenses. And so these images I should be able to use with no problem. So all you want to make sure that you do is that you download them and have them ready to go for class. And I might even download a few because you might find some work better than others when it comes to splicing them together. Like maybe I want this side-on profile and then maybe I want to get one that's more front-on, just so I have choices to make sure that I get the best combined image in the end.